Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to create a meeting poll in Outlook so people can vote on the best meeting time. First, click New Email. Then, type your email subject and add the recipients. Next, look at the top ribbon and click the Options tab. Then, click Use Voting buttons. A menu appears with voting options. Choose Custom. This lets you create your own time choices. Now, in the Voting Buttons box, type your options and use semicolons to separate each option. For example, 10 a.m., semicolon, 2 p.m., semicolon, 9 a.m. Click Close. Now finish writing your email message. Finally, click Send. Recipients will see voting buttons at the top of the email. They click one, and Outlook tracks all responses for you. You can view results by opening the Sent email and checking the Tracking tab. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.